system ng USIS?
Yun nga, it's my 5th year na dito sa UAP. Alam ko na yung pros and cons na kahit ng teams din, mga day-day. Ano lang, stick na talaga ako sa mga system na binibigay ng coaches sa akin. Without my teammates that hindi naman ako pwede maglaro. Sila nagbigay sa akin ng confidence, sila nagbigay sa akin na napag-alala ko lagi na nerd game yung iba, lagi, lalo na sa mga coaches.
Do you think it's a point of concern na kayo yung one of the most offensive and gifted teams sa rating so far? Do you think that poses a problem for the next few games? Mas doing anything?
Well, we always take one game at a time. I think we have, yung sinabi ko kanina, ini-empower talaga kami ni Coach Kilo, yung mga coaches, and you know, the level of preparation that we have here, we take pride in that effort. Yung sa offense, yung we're talking about yung sa offense kasi we're a very fluid team naman na last year, and you know, of course with the addition of Collins, mas angat lang talaga ng confidence. It really helps us big time, and yun, yung kumpiyansa talaga ni Coach Pido sa mga boys talaga, and you know, we have to give it to them. Talagang may term tayo, di ba? Parang yung scoring column, parang Christmas tree lagi. So that's what we're really after. 25 assists. I think that's a good indication that you know, offense is really flowing. Nakakatawa. Yun lang. Hopefully the following games again we'll go back to the drawing board and see what we can improve on, and again prepare for you know, another battle against our remaining games. Big game din yun. Next game namin, diba? So we're so used to play here at the home court. Next game, we're gonna play at the Blue Eagle Gym, newly renovated Blue Eagle Gym. So we're very excited actually.